slide the nut on first. Now let's just move that off. Now let's just put the gasket on. Do that. So just put the P-top in. Put this into place. There we go. Now let's make the P-top connection. Now let's just snug these nuts up. Using a stainless steel, using a plastic nut. Just twist it until you feel it tight. That's tight. You can still see a little bit of the thread, not too bad. Now just snug this other one up right here. Is this hard work?
Mm-hmm.
Now just snug this up. And sorry we let you run the water can you move it away? So I have more white. No, it's still dripping.
It's okay.
But gee, good thing we had that. Now we need to make sure it's like this. Try that off. Now we'll just snug this nut down.
I think you're going to need to get that up as high as you can.
So first what we do, take this gasket off right here. The nut on first. Slide that nut up. Slide the gasket up.
Now what kind of gasket is that, Oski?
A compression gasket. It's called a compression gasket.
Yeah? What's it made out of?
I think it's made out of plastic.
Okay.
No, it's squished on fun. But I think this is actually made out of plastic fiberglass.
Okay. So how do you put the P-trap together?
Okay. That's coming up. I need to sit under here to be able. Mama, what is that thing made out of?
That's a cast iron sink.
What's this thing made out of?
Same thing.
So iron they hold together.
Mm-hmm.
How they hold together? That in the middle, I think.
Yeah, it's just all one big piece.
Can you put the P-trap on?
Sure. But in order to do that, I need a nut. Oh, now should I take out this? Where? There it is. Now Toby should be under here and playing with me. Toby washing me too.
Yeah, and he's playing with the soap.
Now let's just snug this up. Right here. As high as possible.
Is it gonna work?
Okay.
No, it may not work. We may not have cut it right.
Okay.
Does it not go any higher?
No. I'm not.
We may not have it cut right.
Now we just need to snug that down. Just slide that down.
But what about this back part?
You can't make that connection right there. There's no
We
one
want
else.
to make this connection right there. We want this connection.
Are you gonna break our plumbing?
No, we're not gonna break the plumbing.
You're not a very good plumber.
I know. That's the problem, isn't it?
Mama, is this the hot water side?
Yeah.
And that's the cold water side?
Yeah.
Okay? Okay.
Can you snug up the front and I'll snug up the back?
No, I can snug up most of them. I can snug these up.
Well, you got that nice and snug.
There we go. Now
Okay.
you finish that up. Oh no, there's a traffic jam. There is a traffic jam.
I see it. So maybe we gotta move this one out of the way.
No.
You diagnosed that problem well. There is a traffic jam.
No, we need to move it all the way.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
And this one too?
No.
Yeah?
Yes.
Can you loosen that one?
We need to move that one all the way too.
Okay.
We're under each other, the plumbing. Now we have a nice clear path.
Okay.
Ow.
Uh-oh. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
My finger.
It's alright.
Mama. No. I can't think of it.
Do you want me to give you a kiss?
That finger.
Plummy.
That still hurts.
Sorry, baby.
It's connected by a walking thing at the top. No, I mean, water's might come down. Oh no, it's just like this stuff. There we go. Try to snug that up the rest of the way. Snug that up. Now I can do, I can snug up both of these. Leave that nut. Use it up the rest of the way. There you go.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Now we'll just tighten up this nut. Now there we go.
Okay, can I make sure it's tight? Okay, so.
Now we should do a high pressure test. Now, Papa, now we should close the cabinet and then